To batch apply passwords to several IP cameras or recorders, with our device config tool open, we come to change password. Now, note that you can only do this for cameras or recorders with the same current password. For example, the camera with IP151 and the other camera with IP153 are having the same current password, which is what I'm going to put into the password box below. Once I'm done doing that, I'll then type in the new password I want to give to these cameras. Depending on the number of cameras you have. Once that is done, click on Modify. As you can see, the first one is giving a password error. This is because the current password is not the same as the password of the second camera, which is what was entered in the password field below. You need to make sure that any cameras or batch of cameras or recorders you want to change your password, the current passwords must be the same thing before you can then put in the new password. This is how to batch apply password to several IP cameras or recorders.